This sucks. Have a small trench dug for the downspout to be connected so that the water actually rolls into the street as opposed to around the side of the house. I'm going to cut the grass edge and attempt to get this landscaping and straw and grass seed down today. It's freaking hot, and my help today did not come in, but it's got to get done. So I got this one side edged out, almost got the other side, and then I don't know. If I haven't mentioned that I hate this, I didn't get everything I wanted done, but I got everything edged out. Plastic down, all the shrubberies down, or all the shrubs down, and I got the pipe mostly buried. And the plumber was supposed to come today, but he got tied up. So when he comes in the morning to tie that last little bit, then I can rake it out, put the mulch down, and put the grass seed and straw down, and be done with the landscaping. All right, day 2 of the landscaping, and I think my help is on its way, so I should be able to wrap this up. I'm pretty excited because it's all looking like today will be pretty much done, and tomorrow I can just finish staging and cleaning, hopefully. But I'll give you a quick look around at where we're at. Right now it's only about 85 degrees, and I have a little bit of shade in the front yard, so I'm going to get to it. I think this is 4 yards of mulch, and then my buddy Pete graciously brought over some dirt. Makes my job and life much easier. How bad does this job suck?
It's a labor intensive job.
Looks a lot better already with the mulch.
Pipe already in, covered up, it's good.
Have I ever said how much I love this work? Because it is the best job in the world. I'm done. The front, landscaping, everything in the front. And I couldn't be happier. Take a look.